soil and water resources. In this chapter, we would learn about natural resources as renewable and non-renewable. Air, water, sunlight, soil, forest, metals, animals and birds are nature's gift to us. Thus, they are known as natural resources. We are using these resources to fulfill our needs. Natural resources can be divided into two groups. 1. Exhaustible or non-renewable natural resources. These resources are limited. If once they are used, their quantity will reduce. For example, coal and petroleum. Inexhaustible or non-renewable natural resources. Now, these resources are available in plenty in nature. For example, air, water, sunlight, and animals. Soil resources. Soil is an important natural resource. The uppermost layer of the Earth's surface is made up of soil. Soil is formed by breaking up of rocks. It also contains decayed organic matter, which formed by decay of dead plants and animal waste. Process of soil formation takes millions of years. Soil is spread through natural forces like wind, oceans, rain, and floods. Now, types of soil. On the basis of characteristics, soil can be classified into 6 types. Alluvial soil. This type of soil present in northern plains and coastal plain. It is most fertile soil. Crops like rice, wheat, pulses, tobaccos and oilseeds grow well in alluvial soil. 2. Sandy soil. These types of soil contain more proportion of sand as compared to other contents. It is mostly found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. This soil is not very fertile, but with the help of irrigation, some crops can be grown. For example, wheat, cotton, millets, pulses, barley, etc. The third one is black soil. It is dark-colored soil. It is made up of rocks made by lava. It is found in North, Western and Central Deccan Plateau region. It is good for wheat, sugar, cane and millets. This soil is black-dark in color. Now the fourth one is red soil. This soil is red-colored. It is not very fertile. This type of soil is present in the part of Deccan Plateau in the state of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. It is also found in Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Jharkhand and northeastern states. Groundnut, jawar, bajra are grown here. 5. Laterite soil. It is present in heavy rains areas. Tea, coffee, groundnut and rubber are grown here. Bricks are also made up of this soil. 6. Mountain soil. It is found on the slopes of hills of Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. It is rich in humus. Humus is made from dead leaves and plants. It is fertile soil as it contains humus. Wheat maize, barley, spices, tea, coffee and fruits like apples are grown here. Soil conservation. Topsoil means the upper layer of soil contains lots of minerals for plants. Sometimes the topsoil is carried away by wind and flowing water. This causes soil erosion. Cutting down of trees also leads to soil erosion. Soil erosion makes land infertile. It causes deserts and landslides. By following ways, we must prevent soil erosion. Plants more trees. Do not cut the trees. Avoid overgrazing. Prevent soil degradation, which is caused by many factors such as tremendous increase in population and cheap and quick farming method. Farmers should use organic fertilizers, for example cow dung, and compost instead of chemical fertilizers. Water resources. Life is impossible without water. 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered with water. Sea and ocean water is unfit for drinking or working as it is salty. Rain is the main source of water. Availability of rainwater varies from place to place and time to time. Fresh water exists in lakes, rivers, and streams. Irrigation. In India, agriculture depends mostly on rainwater. To overcome from this situation, several irrigation projects have been undertaken by government. Water is stored in canals, dams, reservoirs, and tanks to irrigate the fields. Canals are channels dug to take water from rivers to the fields. Indira Gandhi Rajasthan Canal projects bring large part of northwest India under irrigation. Wells are dug to areas where underground water is easily available to bring it to surface. Tube well use electric or diesel pumps to pump water to the surface. This type of irrigation is used in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. In some areas, rainwater is stored in tanks and ponds, which are used later for irrigation. This type of irrigation is found in South India. Dams are built across river to store the water. Some of the dams are also called multi-purpose projects as they fulfill several objectives such as 1. They act as reservoirs. 2. They helped in flood control. They are used for power generation, for example, hydroelectricity. They are also used for fish breeding. Some of multipurpose projects in India are 1. Bhakra Nangal Dam. This project has been built on the river Satluj in Himachal Pradesh. It is largest dam in India. It provides water and electricity to Delhi and neighbouring states. Farakka Barrage. This is built across the Ganga in West Bengal. Through this project, India and Bangladesh have agreed to share the Ganga water. Sardar Sarovar Dam. It is built across river Narmada. It supplies water to the dry areas of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Hirakund Dam is longest dam in India and built across Mahanadi River in Orissa. Nagarjuna Sagar and Idukki. These dams are important dams in conservation of forest. Water is important in our daily life. We should avoid misuse of water. Garbage, industrial waste, etc. pollutes our natural resources of water. Water pollution causes many diseases. Marine life cannot survive in polluted water. Oil dumping from industries kills and makes fish inedible. To avoid this pollution, we should take efforts to keep water clean, and without water, Earth is dead planet. Summary. Nature's gifts like soil, water, oil, forest, birds and animals are known as natural resources. Top layer of Earth's surface is types of soil: alluvial, sandy, black, red, laterite and mountain. Water is a very important natural resource. Without water, Earth is a dead planet. Several irrigation projects are undertaken by government like canals, dams, wells, tanks and reservoirs. Natural resources are limited. Conserve them for future generation. Bye-bye students. Keep learning.